Okay, we got our turkey breast. We threw out the gravy. We don't use the gravy in it. It came with a gravy pack. We throw it out. We don't use that. And all we're going to put salt and pepper on it and stick it in the oven. We got the salt and pepper all over it and inside of it. And we're going to roast it at 350 for about, I say, good 3 hours. Here's the ham. It says smoked ham portions. What it is. Cost it $12.58. It was $1.99 a pound. Okay. Now we got it washed off, and we're just going to stick it in the oven just like this at 350 for maybe 3 hours. The turkey was $8.32. It was $2.99 a pound. Okay. We've got yams, and we're going to put just butter in it. It's Splenda in it already. Okay, we're going to make pea salad. We're going to put mayo, eggs, onions, and the peas. Then we're going to put green beans. We're going to put salt and pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and chicken broth. We got pork and beans, and we're going to put barbecue sauce. Going to put honey. Going to put ketchup, mustard, onions, bacon bits, and maple syrup. And then we're going to stick them in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes. Then we're just going to put corn. We're going to pour out all the water. Then we're going to put butter, salt, and pepper. That's it. This is Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. I hope you like this. We will have the whole dinner up on the community page. So go to my community page, and I'll post it when I get everything done and what it looks like. Thanks for watching.